Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this eye look, so stick around. We're going to start off by going into the Naked 2 palette. We're going to go into the first color right here called Foxy. And we're going to take the color and we're going to put it on our brow bone and outline the outside of the eyelid. For the rest of the eye, we're going to go in with the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream eyeshadow palette. And the first shade we're going to go in with is Cloudy, and we're going to put that all on our crease. And we're putting this color onto our crease and slightly above. And then we're going to take a blending brush and just lightly go back and forth, blending that up into the brow bone color that we already laid. And the same thing on the other side. Next, we are going to go into Pink Flash right here, and we're going to put that all over our lid. And what I did was I packed it in so that it has more of an arched look to it, and I just gotta fix this little bit right here. Much better. I'm gonna take a blending brush and we're gonna go ahead and just lightly go back and forth. Alrighty, I really like how that looks. We're gonna go ahead and pack the other eye. And I'm slowly building it up to my crease so that I don't go too far, and that way I have more control over where I want to put it. And I'm really also trying to follow the socket of my eye, and I can feel that with the brush. You can really feel where that bone is. Might have made that one go up a little too high, but you know, we're gonna make it work. got a little bit right here. I'll just clean that up later with foundation. Now that I see that. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend. Alright, I'm going to go back into that brow bone color, Foxy, just to clean this up a little bit and clean up a little bit down here. I'm gonna pack a little bit more of the pink now back on delicately and without going too far this time. And then I'll use the blending brush to get it to go where I want it. So because I put that lighter pink, that cloudy right here, I'm having a little bit of skipping or where that pink really won't sit right. So I'm just taking a little bit of my eye primer and just tapping it on the area lightly. And that'll give me a chance to redeposit the flash, the pink flash. We're gonna go ahead and go back into cloudy right here and put that right back on our crease again. And this is meant to diffuse this pink. Through here. Do the same thing on the other side. And this is also to help blend the two together. Look how pretty that is. And then we're going to go ahead and blend again. And we're blending and working our way up. And then we're going to go ahead and blend the pink flash into the crease now. Just like that. And then I'm going to add to the kiss of this down to the lid. And then we'll blend one more time. Next, we're gonna go into Blue Sky right here. I'm gonna take this on an angled brush, and we're gonna put that on our bottom lash line. The same thing on the other eye. I'm going to take the blending brush and just blend. I'm going to go back into the sky blue and put this on my lower lash line again just to reinforce, and then I can kind of blow it out a little bit. Alrighty, I'm going to take a different smudge brush and I'm going to go into Blue Diamond here. And I'm going to put this on the center of my lid. And I'm just like patting that onto the center of my lid. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And all I did with the glitter was start in the middle and then slowly drag it out to the crease line. So that way it stops and blends. It has little reflex going all the way out, but it's definitely more condensed and heavier in the center. This is really cute, I think. So this is where I'm going to stop with the eyes for right now. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll come right back. I'm back from doing the rest of my face. I wanted to take a minute and show you guys these cute lashes from Stargirl Cosmetics and Lash Finder. These are the Cassie Lash. I just think this is so cute with the little crown. It's just right up my alley, honestly. So I'll be right back after I put these on. Alrighty, this is the completed look. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!